take that one. Okay. I'm gonna die. That was bad. I think
Ollie slides up. This foot, when you do a kick flip, you bring this foot. This one comes all the way back, slides up this way, and then pushes down here. When you do a shove it, this foot from the back pops, and then this one kicks the board out this way. So it's always, this one's always gonna pop, this one's always gonna slide in the direction. So like for instance, kick flip, you push up, slide out. But you actually have to, land it. So the See?
that one sucked.
You
No.
still got it. You still got the back tires off the ground.
Thanks, Oshi, Taki mushrooms.